Hi, I'm Jamie Nelson. This is my Piranha GTI Plus with a Rampage board in it. Rampage board does single shot, 3-round burst, fully auto, reactive. There obviously is Rampage mode, and a couple other things I, honestly can't remember. Spent about $70 on the gun, and another $30 on the reloader hopper, which is, so far, it's been a charm. And then on the board, the 8 board in it, I spent another, what was it, $60 on it. So pretty much ever since I got the gun, I had a little bit of problem with the 8 board, but got it figured out with the quick switch of the spring in there. The gun's really nice. You can get it apart, and you pop this pin right here, and these bolts come flying out, and pretty much it's just been a charm. Yeah. So today I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so today we're going to be taking a fire shot at that guy right there, the Mackinac Island Fire Department shirt.
Somebody that knows something about it. And I won't answer now. Who, what, where, why? See, a lot of dudes like to act the fool now. Get on live, but that ain't my style. You know who he gon' get and what he gon' do. Run up on me if you want to. Hot damn pressing his homie. Stand up in front of his mama. I'm up the road with him. And I can even go and let him go get him. I got to go get him. That's for him to do and the dude that rap with him.
Piranha GTI Plus, Rampage board, reloader hopper.